What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to our channel. Today is a DIY do-it-yourself bicycle upgrade. In this video, I am going to raise my wife's handlebars so her ride is more comfortable, install a basket, a more comfortable seat, and much more. Enjoy. So as y'all see, I'm still in the same shirt. It's still the same day. I fixed the toilet today so far. I put up the swing doors right there at the laundromat. Now, we just bought some bicycles about a week or two ago, and I'm about to install. I got an alarm system already installed on them, but I'm about to install seat covers. I've already changed one seat. I'm about to install a bell, an air pump, all kinds of stuff, a bag for my wife, a basket in the front. And just to show you guys, this is like a car. I can, set the alarm so if you move it, it'll go off. Watch. All right, let me stop. That was loud as crap. But yeah, here's all the stuff. I got a little phone carrier for my phone. So if we go to flat tire, there it is. She got a bell for her brakes right here. What is this one? Convenient rotate bell. I guess we ordered two on accident. I'm not sure. Her basket, her seat cover. I've already installed her cover back here where she can tote like different stuff, but she actually wants a basket on front. I'm gonna tighten up some stuff, the brakes, lube the chain, WD-40, and that's my new seat I just installed last week. Okay, one last thing to show y'all before I get started. My wife wanted her handlebars to be extended up higher, so that's what I'm doing first. And this is my favorite accessory I got. Blue is my favorite color, purple is her favorite color. I have a nice sounding speaker, y'all. This speaker sounds so good. We're gonna put a link in the description below to show you guys, where we got these from. And it was a good price, man. It wasn't something that just robbed the bank, you know what I'm saying? We got our helmets. We're gonna put the link in the description below. All right, y'all, so far I have taken out the handlebars, which is just hanging down below right here. The more of these you use, the higher her handlebar will be. And I'm just gonna play around with it and see, because I know my wife, she likes a high handlebar. And excuse the dogs, y'all, they bark at their shadow, so they're gonna continue to bark. I think wifey's gonna like that. That's a really good height for her. I'm gonna snug this up, and this is the original, just to show you guys. Here's how high it is now. But here's the height before. If I can take this off, it's like right in here. It wasn't too much higher than this. So from here to here, yeah, she gonna really like that. So I'm just gonna straighten the tire back up, get this back tightened, and rock and roll. So this is pretty cool. So far I got her steering wheel raised to a nice height. I think she's gonna really like that. But this basket is very easy to put on, it looks. I think I was supposed to put this on the handlebars first, so I'm just gonna unlock it, but I kind of set it up again here to see where it was gonna go. And it looks like it's gonna be a nice, well-positioned situation right here. I'm just basically undoing this with the Allen wrench. So yeah, all you need really is an Allen wrench for all this. Let's move this up. So right here, guys, I'm just basically willing and dealing with this Allen wrench and this basket. I wanted to stop by and let you guys know, if you need some beats for your yoga class, for your step class, for your YouTube channel, for your DJ career. I'm actually a DJ / producer by trade. I'm doing this channel with my wife because I love that woman right there. You understand me? But if y'all need some beats These beats you hearing in the background, they're mine. Unlimitedbeats.net is the website. Haven't touched that site in a few years. I've been so busy on the road, DJing and taking care of the family. But once again, unlimitedbeats.net is the website. Y'all go there and check me out, man. I got like at least 50 beats on there. You know, I did about 70, maybe 80% of the beats. I got 2 producers that work with me on staff. So if y'all want us to, we'll make y'all some tracks, you know. You don't have to worry about no copyright claims and that kind of stuff for YouTube or whatever kind of event you're using it for, whether it's a movie score, commercials as well. We've done it all, man. So thank you guys. And back to the video. All right, y'all. So far, I think I got everything I need done to clip this guy on. Let's see what happens. Unlock it. All right. Let's put it in. Alright. That's exactly what she wanted. Probably iron this, so maybe she don't care about it being wrinkled. And got some Velcro. This is to make the bag kind of protrude and be as tall as it can be. Maybe it'll help with the wrinkles a little bit. Forgot about this little portion. Just makes it stand on up. There we go. Let's do it on this side too. There we go. So she got her basket, y'all. And inside the basket there is a little zipper piece in here so she can put her phone if she likes. So far I have raised her handlebars using the Allen wrench, and it's raised substantially. She's a tall woman, tall, beautiful woman. And I have put her basket right here on the front. Y'all excuse the mess back here. We got a lot of home construction going on, as you see. So all this stuff going on back here is a lot to do with our construction, and it's not gonna clear up no time soon. We might even have this closed in before it clears up. We plan on closing in the carport. That's gonna be a whole nother video. That's gonna be our office space. The carport will be. So yeah, there we go. So far, got that going. Now I'm gonna put on her seat cover. All right, so the next thing I'm doing, besides me putting a new seat on my bike, I got a new seat that is very jelly, but she wanted an extra gel for her bike, so we're gonna, you know, make wifey comfortable here. Wifey want to be able to warn people as we get close to them. Alright, so I'm gonna have to undo this all the way lefty loosey righty tighty, y'all, and did the whole thing so far, and it's about to pop out. Because my wife is right-handed, I want to put this bell on her right side to make it easier for her to hit it if she was in an emergency situation. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off this little reflector from where it's at. I'm gonna take that off and put the bell right here under this brake, and it'll go this way. It's a beautiful day in Georgia, y'all. I want to show y'all what we got so far on my wife's bike. Alright, so what I've done so far, recap. I have heightened her steering wheel, her handlebars rather, with an Allen wrench. I said hex tool earlier, but it's an Allen wrench. I've put her basket on the front that clips off and on with a little lock button right here. Really easy to clip on, clip off. I've adjusted her seat and put a new seat cover on there with gel pads. Cut that bunion out. I've given her a bike rack, installed this for her. I've also used this tool to really get the PSI right on her tires. I think that makes a huge difference. So ordered one of these for on the go. It clips to my bicycle, which my bike is a blue one right over here. The coolest one of the two. So now what I'm about to do, because wifey, for her bougie self, let me show y'all what she ordered. Wifey ordered some rear view mirrors for her bike. She wanted to poke out on the side. I said, look here now. You can't be dropping your bicycle if this is how you're going to do it. You feel me? So that's where we at now, man. I'm about to put her rear view mirrors on. And hopefully we can go and hit a block or two today. Now, I ain't going to lie, this basket. Oh, and I put her bell on. So folks can hear when she's coming. I move her reflector over to the left hand side. But this is the last thing I'm going to do for her bike. She'll be good to go. But then I'll move on to my bicycle, which all I'm going to do is add my phone rack, which this phone here. And I'm going to add my blue speaker, which is around here somewhere, for Bluetooth calls and for music. It sounds really loud. It's really good. And I'm going to add my water bottle rack as well. So that's it. So I'm going to have to show you guys how I successfully got this on here. It's on there very firm now. I took off this rubber part, but what I'm going to have to end up doing is just cutting the end of it off, because there's no way to fit this inside of here. Or I can make this hole a little bit bigger and it should fit then. But I'm thinking just cutting the end piece right here, just the circumference with a box cutter, so this can protrude on out. And it's a protective screen. I'm gonna take this off when wifey get home. But I'm gonna put this back on, cut the end of it off, and reapply it. Right now I'm using this to do like an X marks the spot type cut. See if I can get this open. Great. Oh yeah. Wow. That's cool. Got one on successfully. And I did it without cutting it all the way off, so I think she'll like that more. So let's try this next one. Guess who's pulling up? There's wifey. She gonna be like, where's that? Watch her, y'all. That's my beautiful wife. And the car is paid off, y'all. So working on paying this one off. We're gonna get us a little truck. The Christopher's. She happy. She in the car smiling. Say hey to YouTube, girl.
You got my bike done.
Yeah. I'm putting on that last rearview mirror, side rearview mirror.
So I got everything.
Everything. Your bell, your seat cover. I tuned it up. I got your handlebar raised. Let me help you. You gonna leave it in here for a second?
Yeah, just leave the door open.
Okay. I just want you to see it real quick and feel it. Well, you can't drive it because you got your skirt on.
So you got the handlebars?
Yeah, got the handlebars adjusted too. I know you got a skirt on now, so you probably won't be able to ride it, but okay. I even pumped your tires up to get it to the right PSI. Oh. This right here.
You got to put it in.
Yeah. There we go. Watch out. Got your handlebar. And you will notice there's like a little give with this a little bit, but I'm gonna see about it. I don't think it's gonna hinder your driving though. Got one rearview mirror so far. I'm about to put the second one on now. It's way more comfortable.
So much more.
Yeah, cause your seat Yeah. She's happy, y'all. We just did a roof too. We didn't even get that on film, but we did a a metal roof. I helped with that too. I pulled off all the shingles to get this metal roof on here, y'all. Get your bell for the YouTubers. Look at that. She happy. All right.
Move it. Get out the way. Get out the way.
Let's grab these bags. All right, I want you to flush that toilet.
Can I sit down on it?
Nah, girl, not on you. Do you hear any? Do you hear any tubes vibrating in the wall? No, you don't.
You've been doing some things.
I've been working today. I get some loving. I get some hugs and kisses today. Yes. So there you have it, folks. Another successful day of a do-it-yourself DIY project here with the Christophers. We got much more in store for you guys. Look at that. Happy wife, happy life. She is truly happy, y'all. And right here, I think I fall off the ditch, but it's all good. As long as she's safe, we are. Oh, there I go. Boom. Okay. See y'all in the next video. Talk to y'all soon.